My 4-year-old son got this foam remote control airplane as a Christmas gift, and it has been such a fun addition to our outdoor playtime. It's made from lightweight foam, which I really like because it makes it more forgiving for beginners. When you're learning to fly an RC plane, there are definitely a few rough landings, and this one holds up really well. One of the coolest features is the 360-degree flips and stunt rolls. There's a one-button flip option, plus a hover mode that helps keep it stable in the air. That hover feature is especially helpful for kids who are just starting out and they're still building confidence. It also has 3 adjustable speed modes, low, medium, and high, so you can start slow and increase the speed as skills improve. That makes it great for a wide age range and not just for beginners. The colorful LED lights are such a fun touch. They make it really easy to see in the evening and add a cool effect when it's flying. I also like that it gives you a low battery warning. The lights flash so you know it's time to bring it in for a controlled landing instead of just guessing. The remote has a solid range, so it works really well outside in open spaces. So if you're looking for a gift for a kid who loves planes, gadgets, or anything that flies, this has definitely been a hit in our house, and I'd highly recommend it.